G'day everyone, it's Chris O. We're in the office again. I'm gonna do my aluminium now. What I say to DIYers is if you're doing up your bathroom yourself, you're saving money. Buy a drop saw, everyone. You know, I think that was about 140 bucks for what it will help you do, and that's your miters and stuff like that, and cut timber with it if you need to, and all sorts. 140 bucks is well spent. Don't try and do it with a hacksaw. You know, I've got a video somewhere me throwing a hacksaw away and using the drop saw. It's a no-brainer, you know, like always use a piece of wood though. You must use a piece of wood and plug it in. It helps if you plug it in. Once I get done here, I'll be able to tidy up my mess a bit. So yes, you always buy a drop saw. Always use a piece of timber and plug the sucker in. Just go through your aluminium slowly. That's no special blade, but it's like it's a wood blade, but it's got a lot of smaller teeth. So there's a lot of teeth to it. Right, so what I do now is I cut all my aluminium that I need without adjusting my saw, all one angle. I have another two pieces. They are my uprights, so I cut that angle as well. Don't, you know, go like that, no. Just go gently, slow. Hold it tight in here with your left hand. Hold it tight. And you're laughing. That gives you perfect miters every time. Now I'll mark it for length, change my saw around to the other angle, I square that across. change my angle to the other 45. Like so. With your more expensive saws, you hit 45 and a pin goes in, and these days you have a laser line and everything, but you know, this is only a cheapie and that's all you need. Where are we? Oh yeah, I could do with a white marker. Geez, that's hard to see. Ooh, wrong light. That's not quite high enough. I didn't bring any timber with me this time, so I just had to scrounge around for a bit, but it's alright, it's doing the job. Okay, I need to just cut off a little bit there. That won't work. I need to be up higher. I shouldn't be standing on a bucket, but there you go. My teachers said I'll never be taught. A couple of months ago, I stepped down off a bucket and rolled my ankle and banged my head and ended up with 12 clips in my head. But anyway, there I go again, still standing on a bucket. Some people would say, the fool, he's doing it again. There you go, people. Now what I do, you don't have to, but I do suggest it. Always bring it out. I'll just take a smidgy ditch off that. It's just a little bit too tight. It's perfect, but it's just a little bit too tight. What you should do, people, is when you're fitting it, have it up I mean have it out a mil, and then your silicone around that, and if you have any slight chipping, because not every DIY home person doing up their bathroom has a water saw. It's all very well using a water saw and all that crapolo, but then what do you do with it? Lose money selling it? Use it for the one job? Nah. Use a grinder or your cutter. Sometimes you get a little bit of chipping. Bring your aluminium out 1.5 mil. I used to have a big water saw when I did a lot of marble, but I sold it. When you're by yourself, it's a pain in the ass. Too big. You're getting it off and on a trailer, and oh, no need for it. Unless I bought a smaller one, and but I don't want to waste $3,000 or $4,000. No need. And then if I need to use water, I'll use a sponge. Okay, I need to take a little bit off there. Just a tad. Okay, I've got to take off a little bit with my grinder. And we're home and hose. Take the pen out of your mouth, Chriso, far out. You don't smoke anymore. I suppose it's just habit. I put a pencil back in my mouth. I'm used to putting a cigarette, but that was 10 years ago. I'll see you soon. I'll come back later.